Hello everybody and welcome to another week of online learning, and there's 5 whole days this week, so that'll be fun. Here's all of our subjects that we'll be working on this week. In reading, it's very much the same. Listen to the story, answer some questions. In vocabulary this week, there will not be a quiz on Friday, but they still have vocabulary work to complete each day. In writing, we're working on writing our own narrative story. They have articles to read about people on a African safari. So that's what their narrative story has to be based on when they start writing it on Thursday and Friday. In grammar this week, we're working on action verbs. They have work to complete every single day and then quiz on Friday. In math, we're going to be moving on to division. And all of this division work is a review for them, as right when we were called out of school, we were in the middle towards the end of working on division. I focused mostly this year on teaching them how to use multiplication fact families to find the division answer. There's videos about that on Monday. And then on Tuesday, they have some practice using other strategies. So if you're confused about which strategy to use or what to do with them, on Tuesday, there's a video for you. And they actually have a division quiz on Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. But like I said, all of this really is a review, so it seems like a lot, but they should be able to handle it. And this week, instead of science, we're moving on to social studies. There's a PDF that I took our social studies magazine and the school scanned it in for me, so they'll click on that each day, read their section, and then respond. And then we have extra projects and learning if you guys want it. Some of you guys, I had you on the reflection piece last week, asked about work completion. So my plan will be to get you an email. If you signed up and you said, yes, I want an email, I'll try to get it to you about every other day, and I'll kind of focus on their completion and quizzes. One every other day, because some kids are getting their work done by 9 a.m. and some kids aren't getting their work done till like 9 p.m. So what I do on Tuesdays is I usually check Monday. On Thursday, I usually check Wednesday, and so on, because people are working at such a different rate. And then this week for Google Meets, Tuesday at 10:30 like usual, Tuesday night at 6 o'clock, and I promise I'll show up, so sorry about that. And Thursday at 10 o'clock again for bingo. And that's really all I have for the week, kind of another normal week. I'm trying to keep it as normal as possible, so then hopefully the kids are being a little bit more independent and not really changing much things up, because then that's more work for you and maybe more work for the kids. So hopefully the motivation and the work is still there, and I see people are still working hard and still getting a lot of their work done. So thank you very much for all of the work that you're doing and continue to do. I really do appreciate it.